Hello everyone, welcome to Random Reviews. I hope every one of you had a very good year 2022. It's been a while since we've reviewed anything on this channel. Today we are unboxing and playing Gs Mini Ekoa Plus. I hope you like this video. If you do, please hit like, share and subscribe. So here we go.
It's like what?
So guys, the main question is, did you like the sound of the guitar? We really did. We had no intentions of buying this guitar or in fact any guitars while we are visiting the shop down there in Adelaide. We ended up shipping it up to Sydney. It took just over a week and finally it is here. So we will unbox this beauty and we'll play it one more time. And yeah, you can hear it for yourself. Please let us know if you like the sound, or if you have any other questions, please put it down in the comment section and we will be more than happy to answer them for you. So the guitar is out of the box. It's wrapped in a plastic covering. The hard cover is unlike your regular Gs Mini covers. This has a hard inlay under the dark brown covering. The inside of this is red velvety. It has a very premium feel to it. And there it is. That's the guitar for you. There you go guys, Gs Mini Ekoa Plus. I hope you guys like this video and the sound of the guitar. Please let us know in the comment section if you liked or did not like the sound, or if you have any questions regarding the guitar. Yeah, like we said, it's a small bodied, really easy to carry or travel with kind of a guitar. At the back, as you can see, it's a sunburst coloring, and yeah, that's Gs Mini Ekoa Plus. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe Random Reviews, and please follow us for more.